Today we are going to make an awesome white lemon pickle. Let's get into action.
Hey guys, what's up? Joshi here. Today we are going to make white lime pickle with 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram of lime. It is always better to use fully ripe yellow limes, but in USA it's very difficult to find fully ripe yellow limes. So I am using green limes. I bought this and put this on the countertop for 3 days so it become a little bit yellowish like this. Also, when you are selecting limes, select thin skinned limes as much as possible. Adjust the ingredient accordingly if you are using less or more lime. Boil enough water in a pot to cover the limes. Once the water is boiled, add the limes to this. And let the limes boil for 5 minutes. Once the limes are boiled for 5 minutes, turn the stove off. We are boiling the limes to make the skin soft, and also there is a bitterness on the lime skin. That bitterness on the skin will be gone if you boil the limes. Let's drain the water and wait for this to cool down. We are using 8 ounce or 250 grams of garlic here. It's about 5 pods of garlic. Peel and wash the garlic and pat dry with a paper towel. Always make sure all the ingredients are dry. Then slice the garlic into 1 inch long thin pieces like this. Let's slice all the garlic like this. Please slice all the garlic. Peel and wash 8 ounces or 250 grams of ginger and cut this ginger into thin 1 inch long pieces. We slice all the ginger into 1 inch long thin pieces. Take 5 ounces or 150 grams of green chili pepper. You can also use serrano pepper or Thai hot pepper. Then cut these peppers into small pieces and remove the stem. It is easier if you are using serrano or Thai hot pepper, but I am using small chili peppers because I have this grown in my vegetable garden. Let's cut all these peppers into small pieces and remove the stem. We cut all the chili peppers here into small pieces. Now let's cut these limes into 4 to 8 equal sized pieces. So cut in half first. I'm cutting these into 8 equal sized pieces. Let's slice all the limes like this. Transfer these sliced limes into a bowl. Do not lose the juice. Here I slice all the lime into 8 equal sized pieces. Put a pot on stove top in medium flame and let it heat up. We are going to use 7 ounce or 200 grams of oil here. I am using canola oil. You can use any oil like canola oil, coconut oil, olive oil, gingerly oil. Once the pot is warmed up, add 5 ounces of oil to it, which is 150 grams, and wait for the oil to be heated. Once the oil is heated, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds to it and wait for the mustard seeds to splatter. Once the mustard seeds are splattered, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds to this. Then stir that with a spatula. After about 30 seconds, add the sliced ginger and garlic to this and mix this well with a spatula. Let the ginger and garlic cook for about 7 minutes in medium flame. Make sure to stir occasionally in between. 7 minutes after adding the ginger and garlic, add the 5 ounces or 150 grams of chili pepper to it and mix that well and let it cook for 2 minutes. Stir that in between. 2 minutes after adding the chili pepper, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to this and let that cook for about 30 seconds. Stir that well. 30 seconds after adding the turmeric powder, add 6 sprigs of curry leaves and mix that well and let it cook for 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons of asafoetida and mix that well. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix that well too. Then add rest of the 2 ounces or 50 grams of oil. Mix that well. Then add the lime pieces to this with all the lime juice. Mix that well too. We are not adding any water to this. Let it cook covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the cover and add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar to this and mix that well. Then turn the flame to low and let it sit in low flame for 5 minutes so all the moisture evaporates. In that way, the pickle will stay fresh for at least a year. Make sure to stir occasionally in between. After 5 minutes sitting in low flame, turn the stove off. Our pickle is completely ready here. It is better to use the pickle at least a week later. If you can let it sit for 2 weeks, that's more ideal.
Store the pickle in a dry airtight container. Use dry spoon to take the pickle. No need to keep this in the refrigerator. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the video. I am very grateful if you could give a thumbs up, leave a comment and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for your support.